San Diego Green Clean.
Is this the cleaning company?
We are a cleaning company, yes.
Well, your team just arrived.
Okay.
And I was wondering, I just got some really nice, they're like little tiny vacuums. I know you guys bring all your tools, but I want them to use this brand new tiny vacuum that my husband Harry got me.
I appreciate, Harry, and your efforts, but we use our tools that we test to make sure that they do exactly what we need to without damaging your home.
Oh, no. Oh, ladies, I brought you some towels, and I want you to use the Clorox, and I brought everything out. The Bona. Get the Bona and shine up those floors.
You know, I don't think you're the best fit customer for us because we really just bring our own stuff and use the things that we know will work well.
I just think you should accommodate the customer, and I have a lot of experience cleaning my own house. I'm an older woman. You should use my vacuums.
Well, we can't for a number of reasons. I'm guessing it's very heavy and maybe chrome, and we can't carry that up the stairs. That's why we get the little handheld canister ones, the Mighties. Those are easier.